Hello everyone and welcome to our fun farm adventure. I'm so excited you're here with me today. Look, our first friend is waiting for us. It's a big, friendly cow. What sound does a cow make? That's right, it says moo. Can you say it with me? Moo. Fantastic. Now let's splash around in this muddy puddle. Who do we see here? It's a happy little pig. A pig loves to roll in the mud and says, oink, oink. Let's all oink together. Oink, oink. Great job. Over there, trotting in the field, is a beautiful horse. A horse runs so fast and makes a special sound. It says neigh. Can you try to neigh like a horse? Neigh. You're a natural. And what's that fluffy white animal? It's a sheep. A sheep has soft wool and says ba-ba. Let's all be sheep for a moment. Ba-ba. Wonderful. Wait, I hear something. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Who could that be? It's a chicken pecking for seeds on the ground. Let's make the chicken sound cluck, cluck. Wow, you've met so many farm animals today. We met the cow that says moo, the pig that says oink, the horse that says neigh, the sheep that says bay, and the chicken that says cluck. You did an amazing job learning all their sounds. Let's say them all one more time, super fast. Ready? Moo, oink, neigh, ba, cluck, yay. You're a farm animal expert now. Thanks for joining our adventure today. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.